Cool. Hello, and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive letter Z, upper and lowercase. All right, so let's get ready. Lefties, go ahead and turn your paper. Make sure you tilt your paper so that you can make your letters better. Okay? Also, cover your fingers. Hold your pencil with your fingers. The first 3 fingers on your hand, on your left hand. Now, make your 3 lines so you'll know how to slant. Okay, those are ugly lines as well. See those slants? Those are better slants. Okay, capital Z. You make a teardrop at the top, come down to the blue dotted line, trace back up a little bit, make another hump, go down past the red line, make a loop, come back up, and finish off with your tail. That's cursive Z, capital. Let's do some more. Teardrop, go down to the dotted blue line, go down past the red line, make your loop, and come up. That's cursive Z. Almost looks like a 3. That's what it feels like when you make it. Like a cursive 3. Okay, a 3 with a loop at the top and a 3 with a loop at the bottom. Okay, let's do it again. And again. Make sure you're slanting. This is another letter that's bigger than the 3 lines. You have to go down to that next line below the red line. Cursive Z's, uppercase. All right, if you want to go back and practice, you can play it again, or you can stop the video so that you can practice your capital Z's. All right, lowercase z's. Lowercase z's are a lot like the capital Z's, except they're not as big. Okay, the lowercase z's are as follows. You start at the red line, make a hump to the dotted blue line, go back to the red line and stop. Then you want to make another hump right next to it that's half as big, go down to the blue line, come back up, and that's a lowercase cursive Z. You have to make your hump first, then another little hump. So it has like a 3 in it. This one is a little better than this one, only because it's a little smaller. This one is kind of wide. This is skinnier, and this is actually the better size for connecting other letters to it, so you won't use all your paper. And also notice that 3 that's in it. That's a 3. That 3 is in that Z. So do it again, starting at the bottom, and pretend like you're making that 3 and make the Z. Do it again. And do it again. and keep going down the whole line. Okay. If I went too fast, just try to do it again. Play the video back and try to do it on your own. Okay? Keep playing it back until you get it. It's not very hard. You will be able to do it. You just have to keep practicing. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Pretty good. Pat yourself on the back. That's the last letter. All 26 letters we've done. The next videos that I upload will be 2-letter words. How to connect 2 letters to each other to make a word. Okay, so I will see you next time. Bye-bye.